the Fullstar 24 pack 50-piece storage container. Waterproof, leak-proof, freezer-proof, microwave-proof. Also, you could stick these on in the front and label the container whichever type of food. As you can see, we have many container here, which I'm going to show you up close how it's really made well. These small containers, which are perfect for your sauce, whatever is tomato sauce, hot sauce, any kind of seasoning, whatever you want. And you have the different round size. You have the rectangle size. Right, so I hope you guys can see me. So I have a cup of water, which I'm gonna pour in one of the container, and we're gonna test it out, make sure it's waterproof as they said. So this is how it looks right here, that you guys could stack all your veggies, your pasta, your rice, your chicken, every single thing in here, which especially if you have like Thanksgiving and you want to give away and stuff like that. But I do not recommend give away these containers. I'm sorry, I don't know about you guys, but I do not give away containers. If I give away containers, you got to bring back my containers, I'm telling you. But I used to buy the dollar store containers, but after one or two times, they're no good. So this here, they said it's a great for dishwashing, leak proof. You could stack them in the fridge so you store easy space. Microwavable, freezer. The only thing I know, they said do not put the cover in the microwave. The reason why that would be, it has a rubber inside. I'm gonna look right here. So this is one of the containers. It's a very sturdy, really hard plastic. It's plastic, but it's BPA-free. This thing, it's hard, I'm gonna tell you. Even the cover is very hard. It's a very good, durable quality. And you could always paste one of the label on top of here and write it. So when you close it, you put it down. I'm gonna show you up close like this, so that you have a little groove there, and then all you gotta do is snap it in. To some people, the snap in might be a little difficult at the beginning because it's new, you never use it before, and open, you just go like that. Use your two hands, it's easy like that. So let's test this out. We're gonna pour some water in here. If the water test pass, vegetables, fruit, whatever you want to put in is nothing. Because remember, if you put something with gravy, you want to make sure in your travel, you want to make sure it's not gonna leak. All right, see, like right there, two hands snapping in. All right, so you can see we have our water. All right, we're gonna flip this up. We're gonna flip this over. If this goes bad, man, I feel bad. Oh, so you can see leak proof. Look, we're gonna toss it around. All right, so well worth the money. These ones are really nice. So it's definitely a little hard sometimes to open and close. Use your two hands, and then that's good. The quality is impressive. The price is impressive. So I love this right here that they sent both this, so we could just stick one on and paste it on. Let me show you guys real quick. We could just, we'll remove one here. And I'm gonna just peel this on in the middle here. I wanted my daughter to do the rest, so she's gonna come and we're gonna take that out and we're gonna put a check mark. Let's see. All right, so it's not the best right in there, but say example, like if you make like what I do, I make spicy stuff. So if I make something spicy, like say I make like spicy chicken curry. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make sure I write spicy so the kids know when to use this. So this right here, I'm telling you, hands down, the quality is the best. The price is the best. Waterproof, leak proof, hands down, thumbs up right. A quick video, just wanted to show you this before I start using it. Something I bought for myself, for the family, and this will come in very handy. And I love these guys right here. Look, these are screwable right here, waterproof as well. Everything is waterproof, seal-proof, leak-proof, dishwasher-proof, microwave-proof, safe to keep your food and store your food and all that stuff. And it's easy to wash, easy to clean up, easy to pack away. Check in the description box for price and details, honest review and product zone. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new, don't forget to like and subscribe. More videos coming.